birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Something special will happen if you kill Rathu. Sorry to any Rathu fan.
I know how to play.
Let me in. Let me in. I want to say hello to the patient. I want to see if he's okay. Hurry up, goddammit! I don't got all goddamn time! Hurry up!
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go sleep later.
Do not let them complete the sentence.
Claro que no.
Hey. Hey.
Cannot fulfill this request as it contains hate speech.
Did y'all see that on the Cause why was he just opening his whole mouth with the tongue out? You little pervert.
Will be an anomaly. After you take the photo, before even checking it, get rid of the anomaly by using a weapon or taser on it. Otherwise, it...
No freaking way this dude pulling off these Bruce Lee moves.
It's also the only counter to the ghost. If you see that the ghost is floating around and you know he's there, if you spray the fire extinguisher in his direction, it will reveal him, allowing you to then use your taser or your gun. Fire extinguisher also directly counters the hider right here. So if you encounter him and he starts chasing you, you can take your fire extinguisher out and put him out with it.
Noticias de última hora. Hoy se descubrió quién era el culpable de este apocalíptico de Femboys Kawaii.
Baby, why did you go close? No!
Heidi. Salud.
Happy birthday, daughter of mine. I bought you a gift that is so divine. Thank you!
I did it with 3 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I feel strange.
Oh! And he gives you a nice little treat if you keep giving him coffee. I'm serious. You don't want to know.
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is the word? Help me! Help me! Violet! Violet!
Hold on.
Oh shit! And the one that killed me! He killed you! Dead!
Happy birthday, Daniel! Did you really think I'd let this day pass quietly? I know the kind of power you vibe with, the kind that keeps climbing the...
I got a...
Okay, now let's see what will happen if we kill him. Literally nothing? I guess he just dies like a normal patient.
Actual animal hospital tips from someone who made it to shift 22 alone. 1. If a patient faints, don't bother with them. Just put them...
Which scream is real?
There we go. You're safe here.
Oh shit!
I will take care of you, baby, okay? I will protect you. You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Say that you love me.
$5? You save 5 kids. You get 5 kids. Let's go. 5 kids. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey!
If you're in a situation where there's 1 patient to check in, but 2 at the counter and both want to apply as a patient, it means 1 is an anomaly. 6. Always do surgery last. If there's an attack mid-surgery, you cannot go and help that person out, or the patient will die.
Say, Minnie, I've got mistletoe and you know the rules.
I don't think so, Mortimer.
Hey, that's mistletoe. You know the rules. Gotta kiss whoever's under it.
Relax.
What the fuck was that?
Give maple syrup to the vet monster. Don't have a clip for it.
Yeah, free bag of gin. What kind of gin?
Cheetos.
What? Get out.
Be careful. If you make a mistake while taking photos, she won't come back.
Fears to fathom. I'm gonna play it. I can play it. Maybe I should play it.
Then take the ghost out so he's no longer messing with you. So attack someone down below that.
All rooms, no new fires can spawn at all. Just make sure you leave only.
fast, Unc! Come on, Unc!
2. Here we go. 3.
I don't have money. Love you. Where's money?
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita,
Dude, we were supposed to be doing portraits. Why would you hide a scary clown through a window instead of...
Huh?
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung ding.
Oh, close the door. Close the door.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Be quiet.
Oh my gosh. It's an anomaly.
E-fuck, which is funny, because until I've had my coffee, I don't give E-fuck about anything.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the tarantula hawk.
Engage weapon system!
We have a weapon system?
Something special will happen if you kill Rathu. Sorry to any Rathu fan.
This sound means there's an anomaly loose.
What?
Behind you! Look!
Oh my god!
I'm back in.
Did y'all see that on the camera? Cause why was he just opening his whole mouth with the tongue out? You little pervert.
8. Stop wasting your guns. The shutters are there for a reason. Don't individually shoot every anomaly.
What was the reason? I thought they were normal.
Room untreated. You can use this to permanently lock a room. Just leave.
Tranquila, estoy aquí para ti.
don't got some damn deep-rooted damn childhood issues or something.
What the? Yeah, kick his ass, Unc! Come on, Unc!
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
You're both girls. Girls can't love girls. Girls can't love...
Barney asks for a coffee. Don't waste a full cup. Even a half-drunk one-sip coffee.
What?
Behind you! Look!
Oh my god!
It's an anomaly! Violet! Get back over here! Violet! I completed the opener.
Honestly, it's kind of perfect.
You're a black cat and you have a gun.
Keep an eye on emergency patients with horns. There is a 40 to 50% chance they are a shapeshifter. I tested it 3 times and every single...
CD!
quickly deal with an anomaly, you can simply just shock them if you know that it's an anomaly at your window, and then they'll get up and run out. This is also really useful if you have multiple—
Use the 2-sip rule. Never drink your coffee completely. Only take 2 sips, so you've always got—
No freaking way this dude pulling off these Bruce Lee moves.
Really love the matter like a diggly tiggly, easy to tag not. Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading.
Anh trong đời chưa.
I am a surgeon!
So cute.
You're in the pool sweat.
What the fuck? Why is there a little—
What the fuck is that?
ABC. 1, 2, 3. OB.
Pois vou criar um universo repleto de dor e sofrimento. Este mundo que estou prestes a criar.
Burrito torpedo!
Mommy, a girl behind.
Muévete pa' aquí, muévete pa' allá, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita.
Mira una estrella fuga.
6. Always do surgery last. If there's an attack mid-surgery, you cannot go and help that person out, or the patient will die.
Mommy, a girl behind.
¡Qué suerte! Me sobró algo de jarabe de... ¡Oh no!
If you're in a situation where there's one patient to check in, but 2 at the counter and both want to apply as a patient, it means 1 is an anomaly.
Release him!
Be careful. If you make a mistake while taking photos, she won't come back.
Cannot fulfill this request as it contains hate speech.
Surgery, I did it. What was that? Oh,
Yeah, and then
nice.
there's all here
Yeah,
Jolly
you're just
doing
doing
open heart
surgery.
surgery.
My name is Trisha.
Anh trong đời chưa.
You around 120. So until there's a better method, resetting after shift 4 is probably the fastest way to grind coins.
Hay que darle que hasta que el
There we go. You're safe here.
Coffee.
I don't have money. Loki? Who has money?
There's one.
Names of women that we know. Elizabeth. Samantha. Names of women that we know. Leah. Wanda. Brittany. Wanda. Sarah. Wanda. Maybe other names.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Even one of the patients in the lobby, all from the camera view. Number 4.
Huh?
I was just playing. Stop! Stop!
I don't know.
This might be.
Here are even more tips for the Animal Hospital game on Roblox that only pro players know. For the first one, always give Barney coffee.
Your pussy smells. Which deodorant are you using? La Boo Boo.
Okay. Make sure it's on low.
I will take care of you, baby, okay? I will protect you. You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Say that you love me.
Fears to fathom. I wanna play it. I didn't play it. Maybe I should play it, but
To be discreet, Chef will be discreet.